Hey everybody, this is dose 38, day 19, phase 3. So yeah, it's working. Anyway, so I need to take my HCG, and I got still more work to do. I'm not real tired, so just took a shower, so I gotta upload the videos of the truck, working on the truck in the car, and then pretty much I gotta clean up the yard tomorrow, all the trees I cut down, and take them to the burn pile. We're gonna make a big bonfire tomorrow, and then other than that, Monday I get to look forward to going to eat my whiskey ribbon burger at Red Robin, because yeah, after how many days? 21 days. Yeah, I'll eat a big nice burger. So anyway, I'm gonna take this HCG, and we will start out day 20 tomorrow, and that will be I don't know how much I got left after this. I'm gonna do another phase. What would, so 15, so it'd be 30. So after day 30, that'll go into phase 4, which would be the last one I'm gonna do. And then hopefully I'll be around 180. That's my goal. I may have to start going to the gym a little bit, just to help tone up a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna take this, just rambling, and this is dose 38, and yeah, still feel good. Diet works. Just gotta keep your mind occupied and keep the cravings away, where you just normally it was just bored and just eat. So yeah, I'm staying busy anyway. So anyway, I will take this, and then I will see you guys tomorrow morning for dose 39. Another door. So I will see you all in the morning.